Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to change match time in eFootball 2024. So let's get started. At first, let's click on match in the bottom left corner over here. Now choose any match you would like to play and choose your home team and choose the away team as well. Now in bottom left corner over here we can see the setting icon, so let's tap on this and choose this first option. Now here's the match time option. Simply tap on this and choose the time you want and click on done, and we can simply get back. So this is all we can do to change match time in eFootball 2024. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.